to speak English?
You know the answer in your head.
You understand the question.
You even practice alone.
But when people are listening, you suddenly feel shy.
Emma, this happens to me. Alone, I can speak. But in front of people, my voice becomes small.
That is very common, Leo.
I feel like everyone is watching my mistakes.
And then you speak less than you can.
Yes, I have ideas, but I keep them inside.
Today, we will practice English for that exact feeling.
So, this lesson is for shy English learners?
Yes, you will learn simple phrases to speak when you feel shy. Ask for time, start small, and build confidence.
Good. I don't want perfect English. I want a little more courage.
Welcome to the English room. Stay with us, because by the end, you will know how to speak English even when you feel shy. Today, we will use a simple confidence ladder.
A confidence ladder?
Yes. Name the feeling, start small, use a safe phrase, speak one sentence, ask back.
Name the feeling, start small, use a safe phrase, speak one sentence, ask back.
Good. This ladder helps you move from silence to speaking.
So I don't need to jump straight into a long conversation.
Exactly. You climb one step at a time.
That feels less scary.
Yes. Confidence grows in small steps.
What is the first phrase?
I feel a little shy, but I'll try.
I feel a little shy, but I'll try.
Good. This is honest and brave.
I feel a little shy, but I'll try.
Let's start by naming the feeling.
Okay.
I feel shy when I speak English.
I feel shy when I speak English.
I feel nervous when people listen to me.
I feel nervous when people listen to me.
I'm not used to speaking English out loud.
I'm not used to speaking English out loud.
Good. These phrases explain the problem clearly.
They sound simple, but real.
Exactly. You do not need difficult English to talk about shyness.
I feel shy when I speak English, but I want to improve.
Beautiful. That is a strong sentence.
I feel shy, but I want to improve.
Let's practice a real conversation.
Okay, Emma.
Leo, why are you quiet in English class?
I feel shy when I speak English.
What makes you feel shy?
I feel nervous when people listen to me.
That is very common.
Yes, but I want to improve.
Excellent. Say the full answer.
I feel shy when I speak English because I feel nervous when people listen to me. But I want to improve.
Perfect A2, B1 answer.
That sounds honest, but not weak.
Exactly. Being honest about shyness is not weakness.
It is the first step.
Now, let's learn a phrase to start speaking softly.
I need this.
I'll try to explain.
I'll try to explain.
This phrase helps when you are not fully confident.
It gives me permission to try.
Exactly.
I'll try to explain. I think this idea is good.
Good.
I'll try to explain. I feel shy, but I want to answer.
Excellent. Is it okay to say this in real conversation?
Yes, it sounds humble and natural.
I like that.
I don't need to sound perfect. Right. You just need to begin. Let's practice starting softly.
Okay.
What do you think about learning English online?
I'll try to explain.
Go ahead.
I think learning English online is useful because I can practice at home.
Very good.
That felt easier.
Yes. You used a safe phrase before your answer.
It helped me start.
Exactly.
I'll try to explain. I think speaking practice is very important.
Excellent.
One small start can become a full answer.
Now, let's talk about speaking in groups.
Groups make me very shy.
Many learners feel shy in groups because there are more people listening.
Yes. I feel like my mistake will become bigger.
So start with one small sentence.
What can I say?
I have one thought.
I have one thought.
Can I add something?
Can I add something?
I agree with that.
I agree with that.
Good. These phrases help you enter a group conversation.
They're short. I can use them.
Exactly. Short phrases can open the door. Let's practice speaking in a group.
Okay.
Does anyone want to add something?
Can I add something?
Of course.
I agree with this idea. I think it can help beginners.
Excellent.
That was only 2 sentences, but I joined the conversation.
Exactly.
I don't need a long speech to participate.
Right. One sentence is still speaking.
I have one thought. I think this is useful.
Perfect.
If you're watching, repeat this. Can I add something?
Soft. Emma, can I share a story?
Of course, Leo.
I knew a student who was very shy in English class. What did she do? She knew many answers, but she never raised her hand. Why not? She was afraid everyone would look at her. That is a common fear. One day, the teacher asked an easy question. She knew the answer, but she stayed silent. What happened? After class, she said, "Tomorrow, I will say one sentence." One sentence. Yes. The next day, she said, "I think the answer is Monday." A small sentence, but a big moment.
That story is important.
Because she did not become confident in one day.
Exactly. She just took one small speaking step.
One sentence changed the feeling.
Yes. Confidence often starts after action, not before action.
Wait, so I don't wait for confidence first?
No. You take a small action and confidence grows after. That is different. Use this sentence. Confidence grows when I practice.
Confidence grows when I practice.
Good.
I can speak one sentence today.
Beautiful. Now, let's learn how to ask for time when you feel shy.
This helps a lot.
Give me a second.
Give me a second.
Let me think for a moment.
Let me think for a moment.
I need a moment to answer.
I need a moment to answer.
Good. These phrases give you breathing space.
Sometimes I know the answer, but I need time.
And that is okay.
Let me think for a moment. I want to answer clearly.
Excellent.
A pause is not failure.
Exactly. Let's practice asking for time.
Okay.
Why do you want to improve your English?
Let me think for a moment.
Sure.
I want to improve my English because I want to speak with more confidence.
Good answer.
I did not panic.
You used a phrase and gave yourself time.
That makes speaking feel safer.
Exactly. Give me a second.
I want to explain it clearly.
Perfect.
Subscribe for simple English confidence practice.
Now, let's talk about your voice.
My voice?
Yes. When people feel shy, they often speak too quietly.
That is me. My voice disappears.
So use this phrase. I'll speak a little louder.
I'll speak a little louder.
Can you hear me clearly?
Can you hear me clearly?
Good. These phrases help you control the moment.
So if my voice is small, I can fix it.
Exactly.
I'll speak a little louder. Can you hear me clearly?
Excellent.
That sounds confident.
Let's compare shy English and confident English.
Okay.
Maybe, I don't know. Sorry. My English is bad.
That sounds very unsure.
Now, try this. I'm still learning, but I'll try.
I'm still learning, but I'll try.
Good.
Let me answer simply. I think this is a good idea.
Excellent.
The English is still simple, but the energy is different.
Exactly. Confidence is not only grammar, it is also how you continue.
I can speak simple English with confident energy.
Perfect.
Now, let's learn how to answer when someone compliments your English.
Oh, I get shy when that happens too.
What do you usually say?
No, my English is bad.
Try not to reject the compliment.
What should I say?
Thank you. I'm still learning.
Thank you. I'm still learning.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Thank you. I'm trying to improve.
Thank you. I'm trying to improve.
Good. Accept the compliment kindly.
That feels better than attacking my English.
Exactly. Let's practice accepting a compliment.
Okay.
Your English is getting better.
No, my English is bad.
Try again.
Thank you. I'm still learning.
Much better.
Thank you. I'm trying to improve.
Excellent.
That sounds confident, but not proud.
Exactly. Confidence is not arrogance.
It is simply respecting my effort.
Beautiful.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Let's use a picture in your mind.
A picture?
Confidence is like a small candle.
A candle?
Yes, at first it is small. If you protect it, it becomes stronger.
And if I attack myself?
You blow it out.
That feels true.
Every small sentence protects the candle.
I feel shy, but I'll try.
That protects the candle.
Let me answer simply.
That protects the candle too.
My confidence is small, but it can grow.
Beautiful.
Now let's do a quick confidence quiz.
Okay, test me.
You feel shy, but you want to try. What can you say?
I feel a little shy, but I'll try.
Good. You want to start your answer. What can you say?
I'll try to explain.
Excellent. You need time. What can you say?
Let me think for a moment.
Very good. You want to join a group conversation. What can you say?
Can I add something?
Perfect. Someone compliments your English. What can you say?
Thank you. I'm still learning.
Excellent. Now let's do one full conversation.
Okay. I will use the confidence ladder.
Leo, Would you like to share your opinion?
I feel a little shy, but I'll try.
Of course. Take your time.
Let me think for a moment.
Sure.
I think speaking English every day is important because it builds confidence.
That was clear. Can you add one example?
Yes. For example, one small conversation a day can help a lot.
Excellent.
I was shy, but I still spoke.
That is confidence practice.
Let's review the confidence ladder.
I'm ready.
First, name the feeling.
I feel shy when I speak English.
Second, start small.
I feel a little shy, but I'll try.
Third, use a safe phrase.
I'll try to explain.
Fourth, speak one sentence.
I think this is a good idea.
Fifth, ask back.
What do you think?
Excellent.
Now I can join a conversation, even if I feel shy.
Yes, you can.
Before we finish, remember the candle.
Confidence is like a small candle.
If you protect it with small actions, it grows stronger.
Every sentence is one small flame.
Beautiful.
I feel shy, but I'll try.
Good.
I'll try to explain.
Yes.
Can I add something?
Excellent.
Now, practice in the comments.
Write one sentence you can use when you feel shy.
You can write, I feel a little shy, but I'll try.
Today, you learned how to stop feeling shy when speaking English.
I can say, I feel shy when I speak English.
Good.
I can say, I feel a little shy, but I'll try.
Yes.
I can say, I'll try to explain.
Very useful.
I can say, can I add something?
Excellent.
And I can say, thank you. I'm still learning.
Perfect. You do not need to feel completely confident before you speak.
Start with one small sentence.
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to the English Room for more easy English conversation practice.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and protect your confidence, one sentence at a time.